One of the factors that the teachers face on a daily basis is the fluctuation in temperature in the rooms. Temperatures can range from outside temperatures all the way up to 95 degrees. The way our building is heated through the hot water running through the ceilings, literally at times, we'll get that to a second. But the heating really fluctuates, and teachers either have to open up their windows or heat their room with space heaters. We have rooms that don't even have heat at all, and that's where the space heaters come in. The thermostats are broke. And so it's very hard for teachers to do the things they want to do, and the kids concentrating on the learning when they're bundled up, trying to, either they're way too hot or way too cold, trying to adjust for that. So it makes it extremely difficult. We try not to have kids bring blankets to class or wear hoods in the building, but sometimes that's just what we have to do to try to make it all work.